Let's begin sitting on our heels, legs folded underneath, hands resting lightly on the thighs. Let your breath begin to deepen and just give yourself a moment to arrive. Find child's pose. Take the knees wide, send the hips back, arms out long. Flip your palms to the sky or bring the hands to prayer at your upper back. Reach your arms out long again. Baby camel. Inhale, roll up. Reach back and lift your hips high. Hips down, then find child's pose again. Slide forward onto your belly now. Half frog, right side. Prop yourself up on your left forearm. Grab your right foot with your right hand and pull your right foot gently to the outer hip. Release back down, left cheek to the mat. Sphinx pose. Walk your hands forward and prop yourself up onto your forearms. Stay here or move to seal pose. For seal, pivot your forearms out to a 45-degree angle with the top of the mat. Then press the hands down and lift the elbows up. Slowly begin to straighten the arms. Soften back down, arms by your sides. Turn the chin to the left. Half frog left side. Come onto your right forearm. Capture your left foot with your left hand and draw your left heel to your outer hip. Soften back down, turn the chin right and breathe. Slowly bring the hands by your shoulders. Press yourself up, then make your way onto your back. Press through your heels, then lift the hips up for bridge pose. Wiggle your arms underneath you and interlace your hands together. Inhale as you lift your right leg to the sky. Exhale, return to bridge. Lift the hips up even higher. Lower your hips to the mat. Breath out. Find bridge pose again. Hips high. Interlace the hands. Inhale, lift your left leg to the sky. Exhale, come back to bridge. Press through the heels. Lift the hips up 1 inch higher. Exhale, lower the hips all the way down. Wheel pose. Hands by shoulders. Press up. Exhale, release to your back. Separate the feet out wide. Bring the knees together and rest. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Rock yourself up to a tabletop position. Pigeon pose. Slowly shift forward and align right knee with right wrist and lay the shin bone down. Stay upright and reach your left hand back and take hold of your left shin or foot. To feel the quad and hip flexor open more, gently guide the heel closer to the glute. Release the back foot, back leg long. Now firm your hands into the mat. Press up and step the right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Corkscrew pose. Reach your right arm back and capture your back foot. Take slow breaths as you open the front side of your back thigh. Now let the foot go, back leg long. Make your way back to tabletop. Pigeon left side. Shift forward, left knee to left wrist. Quad stretch, right hand to right shin or foot. For a deeper stretch, slowly pull the heel closer to the glute. Now let the foot go, back leg long. Ground the hands down and step the left foot just outside your left hand. Reach your left arm up and back for corkscrew pose. Feel the opening in your right hip flexor. Now let the foot go, back leg long. Come back to tabletop. Now make your way to a seated position. Seated star. Glue the soles of the feet together and then move the feet away from you as far as you can. Take a breath in. Fold over the legs as you exhale. Maybe let the head soften toward the feet. Slowly rise. Now make your way onto your back again. Draw your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze. Before we end, if there's any other pose you'd like to do, like a twist or a happy baby, take some time for that now. And then whenever you're done, settle into Shavasana, arms and legs stretched out long. Thank you for sharing your practice with us. Namaste.